we have the privilege of hearing from Dr. Ramneek Mahajan, Senior Director, Orthopedics and Head Joint Reconstruction, Hip and Knee Unit, a prominent figure in the orthopedic community, who will shed light on the future of joint replacement surgeries and the role played by this remarkable technology. Please put your hands together for Dr. Ramneek Mahajan. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you first for being here. And let me share, I think Dr. Maria just touched upon all the basic points that one can expect from a robo that we have here. But as artificial intelligence is coming in all spheres of life, this is what it is. Earlier, we used to drive our car, we would stop our car, ask someone the way, or we would know the way and we would go. Then we started using Google Maps and all those things just for that reason. And that is the reason that you now have this robo. You were doing conventional surgeries, you were putting in those implants, but we never knew how many years these implants would last, and the patients would come and ask the same thing. 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and that way. So we started adopting technology. The first navigation and computers came into being, and now with this robo. And why are we trying to get this technology in? Sir mentioned that thing called boys love their toys. Yes, boys love their toys. We started with Atari when we were very small and with those video games, and now we are here. But the reason is we're trying to chase zero. The reason is that we put that implant in, it has to last a lifetime. So for that, the man behind the machine, very important. Then the machine and technology helping us to put that thing in. And why this particular robo? As was mentioned, we could do partial knee replacements, we could do total knee replacements, but this is the only system in the world which also allows you a total hip replacement. US FDA approved robotic arm. So what does it do? The difference between the robos, once you do your CT scan and you plan your surgery, it helps you to execute the way you have planned. Put it in, and then you know for sure that you have the right fit for this particular patient. So probably the wear and tear and will probably not be there. The longevity will be more. So that is what you're trying to achieve by adopting technology. This particular technology, which you see in all the centers that you can name in the world. All the major centers in the US, more than 34, they all use this particular technology. In India, we have now around 21 centers using this. But in the city of Delhi, we are the only one who has this particular robo. And more than 10,000 surgeries now have been happening with this particular robo in India. We have done close to now 200 surgeries, and definitely the results are there to see in the OPD. Patient satisfaction scores have gone up. So, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for being part of this journey.